Visakhapatnam, city in Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is a port city and industrial center in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh on the Bay of Bengal. It's known for its many beaches, including Ramakrishna Beach, home to a preserved submarine at the Kasura Submarine Museum. Free tourism spot of Visakhapatnam, Yarada Beach. Popular among the youth and nature lovers, Yarada Beach is the best beach in Vizag. It's situated at the east coast of Bay Bengal in Nats. This village at a distance of 15 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. It's located near Gangavaram Beach. Katiki Waterfalls. The Katiki Waterfalls is an Araku near Bore Caves in Visakhapatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Originated from River Costani, the Katiki Waterfalls are the best creation of nature. The mildness of the Katiki Waterfalls creates a heavenly atmosphere. Kailasagiri. The major attraction of Kailasagiri is the 40 feet tall statue of Shiva and Parvati. Kailasagiri derives its name from the statue depicting the abode of Lord Shiva and Parvati. This hilltop can be reached by roadway as well as by road. Thanks and grateful to you for showing my videos. Stay please. This is my YouTube video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for my upcoming videos.